Okay. What's a cat say? Moo!
That's a cow.
Oh, my bad.
Oh. What do you want? A chicken or a noodles?
No.
No, exactly. All right. Oh, ew.
Oh, that's not nice.
Okay. Oh, here.
Here you go. Going back in your box. Are you a kitty cat?
Are you a kitty cat?
Yes, there you go. Brantley admits she's a kitty cat, so there we go. We've made our cat video here, and you know cats love to play in a box.
Do I have boogers?
Meow,
Do I have boogers?
No.
meow.
What did the cat say? Oh, you want more noodles?
Okay, and there's Superman cat.
I'm ready. Superman cat.
Woohoo! And here comes
Brantley cat.
Brantley cat.
Spend money on toys.
Yep. Thousands of dollars on toys and video games and movies and iPods and tablets and TVs. And there they go. A box that we picked out of our scrap bin.
Superman cat fell.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Brantley, what's a cat say? Uh-oh. Superman down. I mean, Super Cat down. Careful.
Oh, the cat found something. Wait. Where are you going? Oh, she found something, Dad. The cat loves this one.
Oh, yeah. Here we go. The cat is going to bounce on the trampoline. And she figured this one out all by herself one day.
Super cat.
Look at that. Yep, I see a Super Cat. Here she is putting her own
One moment,
bike
babe.
on
One
the
moment,
trampoline.
babe. One moment, Gian. Okay, wait for a second.
She is now on the trampoline, and there you go. That's what 19-month-olds do on a trampoline.
What did the cat say? Brantley. Oh, God. Watch for Brantley's foot, babe.
Well, maybe we could hook a generator up to this.
Watch for Brantley's feet.
Brantley, what's a cat say? That's right. Moo!
Are you dancing?
Yeah, I know.
Are you dancing?
Brantley cat keeps running over Superman cat.
Are you dancing?
Brantley super cat.
Yes!
You dance.
Okay. Ooh, good moves. Both of you have great moves. Mm-hmm.
Daddy, you watch me. Now we watch her.
Mm-hmm. Oh, she's telling you need to be on the trampoline, Super Cat.
Yeah. Hold your feet, Brand.
I'm Super Catman.
Super Catman, you got it.
Alright.
Na 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 na, Super Catman. Na 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 na, Super Catman.
Oh. Oh, God.
Boy, oh boy, she's gonna break that trampoline.
Dad,
Yes, babe.
can I jump for those sheets?
What?
No.
I don't think that sounds very safe. And you know I'm not the one that's all big on safety. It's
Whoa.
baby down.
Baby cat down.
So if I don't think something's safe, then it's really a bad idea.
Gian, one moment.
Oh, look at this! You You're gonna hold it and she's gonna jump on it. There you go.
This cat.
Oh my goodness.
Super good. Super good. Super boy is calling me.
Super Cat Man, she wants you on. Oh, there you go. You have your Super Cat Man cell phone.
Hello, Super Cat. Bye.
Oh, Brantley, no. Give that one to Brantley. No, give that one to Brantley first.
It's okay. I'll get her a phone.
This is super.
All right, we're signing out. That's our cat video before there's a fight. Oh boy, there's gonna be a fight. We'll get you one. All right,
Oh my
love y'all.
God.
See you soon.